Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have this gorgeous Kim Kardashian inspired makeup look. It's a double wing liner look. I saw a picture of Kim Kardashian somewhere on the internet and I just loved it, so I wanted to recreate that. And if you do like this look and want to know how I achieved this, then keep on watching. So starting with my face today, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade W3 and dotting it all over my face and then blending it into the skin with the wet Real Technique sponge. I forgot to prime my face today, so please excuse me for that. Then I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and just dotting it where I need a little bit more coverage. Now I'm setting my face with L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade W3 again. Now starting with the eyes, I'm using this Kiss Kiss Cosmetics eyebrow pencil and just filling in my brows. Now using a black kohl pencil, I'm just shading my outer V area and slightly creating that V at the corners using that pencil only. You don't need to be precise with that because we are going to blend it anyway. Then I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow with a flat shading brush and just patting it over the places where we have applied that black kohl and also extending it to the crease area as well as the outer V. And then using a fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending the crease area to get rid of any harsh edges and get a more diffused and blended look and the crease. I'm also using these Makeup Greek eyeshadows in the shade Frappe and Cocoa Bear to give more depth and like transition to the crease area. I'm using this light grey tone brown eyeshadow from the Sedona palette in metallic shimmery finish, and then with a flat shading brush I'm patting it in the inner half of my lid. I just pack the color until I get the desired intensity and then blending with a pointed blending brush to get a more diffused look in the crease. Then I'm using this pale yellow eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. Using the same black kohl on the lower lash line, cleaning up the outer V and then blending the lower lash line. Using a black liquid liner, I'm going to create an extended wing liner. Applying the same cool tone brown eyeshadow with an angled brush on the inner one-third of my lower lash line. Tight lining my upper waterline with the black kohl pencil and on my lower lash line and applying the same light brown eyeshadow with an angled brush. I didn't have a light color pencil, so I used that. And applying the same on the center half of my lower lash line for that highlighted centered effect that Kim had on her pics. Highlighting the inner eye corners with a shimmery white eyeshadow for that open eye look. Then I'm using this Etude House gel liner in the shade brown to create that second ring, but before that I'm just cleaning up that outer V area to get rid of any fallout. Filling up the gap between the two wings with a shimmery white eyeshadow on an angled brush. To complete the look, I am using this Maybelline Falsies mascara to coat my lashes. Time to give some definition to my face, and I'm starting with a contour and I'm using the matte cool tone brown eyeshadow from Inglot on a Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just defining the hollows of my cheeks and my jawline. And I'm also using the same eyeshadow to contour my nose as well. I don't have a loose powder with me, so I'm using this light skin color eyeshadow to define my contour. Using this Revlon Peach Glow Shimmer Brick, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. Then I'm using this peachy coral blush from Givenchy. It's the shade Euphoric Orange, and I'm going to apply it on the sides of my face because that's how Kim Kardashian has applied her blush. For lips, I'm using this warm red lipstick from Makeup Forever. I'm not sure of the shade name, so I'll mention that in the description box below. I used this lipstick thinking it's a closer match to Kim Kardashian lips, but later I realized no, it's not a closer match. It's much lighter, and I guess something close to Sugar Cosmetic crayons in the shade Poison Navy would be a better dupe, so you can use that shade as well. And that's my finished look. No, wait, let me just tie up my hair for a better comparison. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you do like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on all of my social media. All of my social media will be linked down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.